Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of MailJam. Okay, so this is a review page of MailJam, and in this video I will show you about a detailed review of MailJam, and I will give you a detailed review, and indirectly I will show you the software from inside. Okay, I cannot show you directly the software because I can't access the members area because there are some issue inside that, and I can't inside that link. Okay, that's why I can't access it, but my purpose is to show you how can you get through the go through the inside view of this tool. And also my second purpose is to show you the bonuses which I am giving you totally free once you have brought the product from my side. Okay, so as you can see, this is a bonus value, but it is an approximate value I have mentioned here, and my bonus is more than that, more than worthy than this value. Okay, so now let me tell about a brief about MailJam. Okay, so MailJam a kind of all-in-one email marketing tool. Okay, I have gone through the demo video, and I will show you how can get the demo video and how can you get the inside view of this tool. Okay, so once you have got this kind of tool, if you are a email marketer, you have nothing, you can't you can forget about anything you want. Okay, this is an all-in-one email marketing tool. So this is an image created by me, and I always try to create memes so that people can interact, can understand about the tool, about the software easily, and also I always try to give a smile inside their faces. Okay, sorry. So this is the product ratings. This has been given by me, and I have given it after watching the demo video. Okay, so as you can see, this has got literally super performance, and feature and facilities are also good. Ease of use is little bit lower cause you have to just go through one or two times inside this tool, and then it will be very easier to you. Okay, so value for money, it is also excellent, and market hits, it has got 97%, which is brilliant. So I never consider market hits inside this overall section. Overall it has got 9.6. okay, so this is the summation of these top fours and the average, and little bit higher maybe. So you can get MailJam front-end product within $27, which is awesome. And the next offer is downsell $17, and you are also getting 30 days no question money back guarantee, 100% money back guarantee, so you don't have to worry. And let me clear you that this is a relaunch of this tool, and the previously it was when it was launched, this the launch was very much successful. They have just sold out more than 1500 copies, okay, of this tool, and the response is very much good and positive response they had get back. Okay, so there are some description about this tool and some key features also mentioned here, and also some of the inside images. Okay, so as you can see, this is the main video of MailJam. This is the demo video of MailJam, and you should go through this video before purchasing it, and you will be totally convinced what is this tool and how this tool works. And also you can get a detailed inside view by visiting this video. One of the main purpose is to show you the bonuses and to show you this video, the way of this video. What you can do that you can click the video description link, and you will be redirected to this page, and you can easily check this video and also the bonuses. Okay, so now let me show you the bonuses. I highly recommend any kind of email marketer. Okay, any email marketer can easily access this, and I am pretty much sure that this will be a permanent tool of their toolkits. Okay, affiliating toolkits or email marketing toolkits. So this is a sales funnel. I have showed the front end product already, and the next upsell is MailJam Pro, which costs $27, and downsell, sorry, I have misplaced here. The upsell will be $37 and downsell will be $27. And the next one is LinkJam or MailJam X Links, which costs, sorry, I have misplaced this also, and I will get myself correct. Okay, I will write it properly. So this will be $47 upsell, and downsell will be $37. And the next one is written properly, $67 mail sale reseller, and you can go through this description also by visiting this page easily, and all of the description has been given here. So now let me show you the bonuses. So as you can see, for some of the bonuses I have put here images, and for some of the bonuses I have put here images and also short description. I don't want to make the video lengthy by giving details all of the bonuses, and this is kind of impossible, because let me show you what kind of bonus I have. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, I have given here 50 bonuses as an example what kind of stuffs I have collected, and after 50 bonuses I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses that will be given to you totally free once you have brought this product from my side. Okay, so these 300 plus bonuses are also kind of software plugins, SEO stuffs, case studies, video case studies, and I have also from the day before yesterday I have also put there so many images and musics also, and kind of I am giving you 25 plus free musics, free background music, free loop music that will help you very much, and they are totally copyright free, and I am giving you totally 10,000 plus quotes or image that are socially good effect. Okay, so you can get it totally free once you have brought this product from my side. I have given an overview of this tool, and also I have showed my bonuses. Okay, that will be given to you totally free. What do you have to do that after purchasing it from Warrior Plus, sorry, not Warrior Plus, after purchasing it from JVZoo, I think you have to check your purchase history, and after going through purchase history you will be redirected to this page, and by visiting there you can click the access affiliate bonus link and you will be redirected to that kind of bonuses. Okay, so you can start from here. You can start by clicking final call. Okay, you will be redirected to the software, and after purchasing the software you can get these bonuses. Okay, otherwise you can't get the bonuses. So that was the overview of this tool and also my bonuses. So I am signing out for this video. I am wrapping up, so bye bye.